Hi guys, happy Sunday. I'm filming this today on the 31st of January, and we're gonna go on a little adventure today. So my husband is going to take you guys on a tour of his business. Oh, I'm getting a text. I bet I know who it is. Yep, it's Autumn. Okay, so I lost my train of thought. Okay, so we're gonna go to our business, and I had a request by a few of you and to kind of take a little tour of the factory. And so I guess, yeah, it's a little vlog today. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll be on our way. Okay, so Keith and I are in the car, and I'm gonna show you how close that we live to the business, okay? So this is Keith's daily drive. Okay, here we go. Keith's daily drive. Okay guys, so here is Keith. He is our guide for today. So take it away, Keith.
Okay, here's the office. We have, I don't know, different people in here.
You guys, and I worked here for almost 7 years right here. So now there's somebody else taking over my space. So we have quite a few people in the office. Here's Keith's space, where he works every day.
All right, let's go to the factory.
Okay, and there's where his brother works. Okay, this is the mail room.
This is the mail room / copier room.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exciting.
All right.
Mail room, all of our pamphlets.
This is the conference room.
Okay. This is the break area. And now we're going into the factory. This is where the magic happens, right, Keith?
Yeah. Okay. This is where we assemble our airless plastic welders. And to the right here, these are all our finished goods. Most of them go out on UPS ground.
Yep.
But if we
The
have
shipping area.
If we have a truck order, this is the area where we load it, put everything on pallets
Okay.
to go out by truck.
Okay.
And here we have our plastic extruder, where we make our plastic welding rod. We put the plastic pellets in there, they go through the cooling water, and then it cuts them every foot.
And it comes out over here. Right here.
And these are the different plastics that we extrude.
And what kind of plastics?
It starts out like this, little tiny pellets.
Wow.
Okay, and this is where we assemble our plastic, our carts for our product.
Okay. Here's where all the guys work back here.
Yep.
Yep, all
And
these.
then after we put together the carts, we assemble the other part in this area.
Mm-hmm.
And So we have a bunch of them already built up and ready to go to
Yep.
China.
All right. Really?
Yep.
Going to China. Cool.
And we do some other assembly over here.
Yeah, we have other guys who work here at these tables.
And this is our mixing room.
Because what do we do in here?
We mix. We make paint and epoxy fillers
Yep.
that body shops use to repair plastic bumper covers.
Yep.
So we have a couple mixers over here.
Big giant mixer.
The giant paint mixer.
Look at all the paint splatter. Cool.
Let me turn the lights on.
Okay. Look at that paint splatter up on the wall. Looks like you had an explosion. And what's this area?
This is our chemical storage room where we keep all our solvents and resins and powders and stuff that goes into our product.
Mm-hmm.
And then finally, we added this part on a couple of years ago as we expanded. So we have
It's massive.
our storage space.
Look at that, you guys. Massive. Yeah. Oh, what about that other part? You have to go outside. There's another part.
It's not much in there.
So yeah.
And then this is our first expansion that we did about 20 years ago. We built this little building.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't last long. We had to expand more. But
Yeah.
it's just storage.
Oh, okay. Nothing major in here. Oh, I was thinking about the part where all the chemicals are, that really cold. Where you have all the containers.
Kind of that.
Yeah.
This is where we store some resins that have to be kept cold.
Ooh. Cool. I've been back here before by myself at night and it's super scary. All right, now we're just coming from the back. So it's a pretty big place. How many years have you been doing this, Keith?
25 years.
25 years.
It'll be 26 years in May.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. Happy anniversary. There's another office back here where the managers work. My son works here. He's one of them. And another guy in there. So, yeah, this is a shipping area. And like Keith said, all of our products, you might want to show them the rod that you extrude with the extruder.
It's over here.
Okay. And what do you do with these rods?
We sell them to body shops.
And what do they do with them?
They repair plastic bumper covers and headlights, and also we sell them to do-it-yourselfers for their kayaks and canoes. We got different colors. Different colors.
So we make the welders, and you use the plastic to melt down to do these plastic repairs. And about stuff. Okay. All right, we have another place to show you guys.
Okay, that was the factory. Now we're going to go to our training room where we teach people how to repair plastic bumper covers. Which is here.
And you have people coming from all over the United States to attend these classes.
This is where we train people how to repair plastic bumper covers. Look, over here, there's our plastic welders. Okay, and then finally after work, some of us like to get together and work on cars.
Because that's their jam. And they have a race team. Keith is a race car driver.
So this is my brother's car. It's a Porsche 944 Turbo.
Wow. Okay.
And this is my car. It's a 1966 Chrysler Newport.
Rad.
And this is the company race car that we drive in the Lemons races.
Yeah, and tell them about the Lemons race. They have a lot of fun.
Yeah, the Lemons race is kind of a, I don't know, makes fun of the 24-hour Le Mans, but this is the 24-hour Lemons. So you buy a lemon car for $500 or less, and then you just go out and race it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our race car.
Yep.
Made to look like a Ferrari.
And you guys, yeah, you guys have a lot of fun doing it.
We did.
Yeah. Keith's little thing. Everybody has to have a thing, right? Something that you really enjoy, and this is his guy thing. And they've got tons of tools. Keith has no shortage of tools, I'll tell you. So everybody has to have their thing, right, Keith?
Yep. You like your purses? I like my tools.
Yes. That's exactly right. Okay. So I'm back in the office, and you guys see this? Nobody was murdered here, okay? You see these yellow, looks like crime tape? It's just so people will stay 6 feet apart. Yeah. So nobody's supposed to walk inside of his area or her area. And oh, we have another room. It's just a storage room, you guys. Back here with lots of office supplies and things. And we have a, what is it called? Okay, what is this, Keith?
Oh, this is our 3D printer where we make prototypes of new products that we're going to build.
Mm-hmm. Great.
And then this is our server with a lot of wires.
Yeah. Wow, that's a hot mess.
Yeah.
And I said nobody was killed in here. This is not crime tape.
No, that's a 6-foot radius.
Okay. And nobody sits here. This is the only empty desk. You got, oh, Keith, maybe I'll come back to work.
No.
Did you hear that? I miss my office. I miss my space.
Hope you enjoyed the tour.